Hi, this is Rich Moyer. Wanted to take some time here today. I had uploaded a whole bunch of graphics that I had generated with my AI Chat GPT image generator and created some really cool images that we can use to build splash pages, or you can use them on social media or wherever. I did post them up on the Facebook group for GotBackup, and I shared them with everybody. Some of these are my own that I'm using that I'm not publishing. But you can see the ones that are here, people, like the shark and they like the bears and the moose. But choose one or more, and you can actually create what a splash page. So let me explain the function of a splash page. When you're using email marketing, and especially on safe lists and solo ads and things like that, you want to have something that's going to load quickly and get you to where somebody needs to be. Has minimal amount of information, but entices them to click that image to take them to where they're going to get more information. So what we do here is we're going to use the native GotBackup autoresponder in your GotBackup tools, your reseller tools, and lead capture system. You're going to use that to capture the information rather than trying to reinvent the wheel. So we're going to use all this, but in order to get our people's attention, we're going to put a new front end on that with meaning a splash page that all they have to do is see that image, you can click on it, and it'll bring them here to your reseller tools. And we're going to use two particular pages on the reseller tools right here. This one is your affiliate ID. So it's to get people pre-enrolled, and you copy that promo link, and then you can get this one over here. This is your retail page. Now, what I've done is I've created very detailed instructions on how to do this. So we're going to go through this, and I'll tell you how to do this. The first thing you got to have is the GotBackup affiliate membership. It's really important. You sign up here for GotBackup, and there's a $40 one-time fee that gives you a lifetime affiliate license to promote GotBackup. And then you have a $9.97 per month product cost. Well, let me tell you, $9.97 gives you 6 accounts, 6 terabytes of storage, unlimited devices on each of those accounts, and I'm a big proponent of I use what I sell. So you got to be a product of the product. So I want you to sign up for the affiliate membership. Get GotBackup, get it implemented on your own devices and your machines, and start to use it. It really is important. I can tell you for a fact that it saved my business at least 3 times by having GotBackup out there. So again, this is really important that you learn how to use the product, but that's not the scope of this particular video. Now, this is an introductory, so I'm just going to show you how to gather the information you need, because you'll need to get it ahead of time. Now, GotBackup, you're going to come here and you're going to copy your promo link, okay? And you're going to come over here to this page and then put that right here. Let's see. Try it again. Copy the promo link. It says it's copied. Come over here. There, that's my tour. And then I want to get the retail page and paste it there. This is only temporary storage, so if you close this page, these are going to disappear. Now, the 3 phases we're going to go through here, this is just an introductory, but the 3 phases we're going to go through is we're going to get you joined up to GotBackup. We're going to get you signed up to Build a Biz Online, and I'll talk to you a little bit on that. The next stage after that is I'm going to have you create your own template in Build a Biz Online. So you're going to copy the share code that I give you to create a template for yourself. And then you're going to save the information on that template so you can share it with yourself and just replicate that page all over. So you can use your template to replicate other pages and create different splash pages. Okay, so that's really the whole process. Now, once you create your splash page, then you can do other things with it, like put them into a rotator or however you choose to do that. But the main thing I'm trying to get with you here is how to create these pages from the share codes that I provide, and how to get them, a functional splash page for yourself in minutes. All right. So I'm going to share this particular page with you, and when I do that, you'll be able to get these instructions and paste your own information in here. All right, for right now, we're going to stop this video. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Build-A-Biz Online. This is a dynamic toolkit, and it's unbelievably inexpensive for what you get. $14 a month for the Pro Executive or the Executive Pro, and that includes everything. You get an autoresponder, you get hosting for your images, you get a blog. So many things are included here, so many tools. And if you're familiar with reducethehype.com, Martin Chandler teamed up with Ian Stewart of Build-A-Biz Online to create these wonderful tools. So I use these all the time. These are so easy to use, and they're so dynamic, and you can do so many things with them. I just love this tool, and I think everybody who is in marketing should have this. It's inexpensive, and I got to tell you, the nice thing about Build-A-Biz Online is if you're an executive pro and you're promoting this, you can create a very nice residual income stream. You get paid $10 a month per each referral who signs up as an executive pro, and 2 referrals, you're in profit. That's, I mean, it's simple. It's $14 a month, but you get 2 referrals getting $10 a month from each of them. You're in profit. So this is a no-brainer. This is a tool you need to sign up for. You need to start using it, and it'll make such a difference. I get so many people who are making the mistake of just posting affiliate links out there without the ability to do lead capture. I think every single thing that goes out there should have a lead capture page or some way of capturing the information. Of course, with GotBackup, you have that already, because the GotBackup system has the lead capture system. So you don't need to recreate that. You can just get a front end there that's going to redirect you to that, and that's what we're doing by building the splash pages. So you sign up for Build-A-Biz Online, and we're going to start to use some of these things to go forward. So I'll catch you in the next video to tell you how to get started.